The redesigned Google Earth app arrives on iOS. Google Earth for iOS today received a major update that brings a collection of new features to the interactive mapping app, as well as introducing 64-bit app support so it can run on iOS 11 devices. Apple reminded developers over the summer that once iOS 11 launches to the public, it will cease support of 32-bit apps altogether and only allow 64-bit apps and app updates to be submitted to the App Store. In its announcement, Google positioned the updated app as a way for users to discover new travel destinations. With the new add-ons, users will now be able to explore locations around the world with a 3D button that refocuses Google Maps and begins circling around a city chosen by the user, similar to Flyover in Apple Maps. All of the updates coming to iOS previously debuted on Android in April. There's also a new feature called Voyager that brings up interactive stories from places around the world with information like the best museums, parks, and landmarks broken down in categories including editors' picks, travel, nature, culture, history, and education. Of the now over 140 stories available, 17 cities can be found in the travel category, offering itineraries for top cities around the world. However, most of Voyager's tours are about exploring interesting places in the world. At launch, Google announced tours from BBC Earth, Jane Goodall, Sesame Street, NASA, and others. Today, it's noting the newer live camera feed of brown bears in Alaska, provided by Explore.org, a tour of Machu Picchu from the UNESCO World Heritage Site, a tour of the world's museums, and even a tour that follows the Beatles' journey. The updated iOS app also introduces the new Knowledge Cards, which are fact-filled cards that tell you more about places and landmarks you're viewing. The app introduces the classic "I'm feeling lucky" button, too, which is designed to help you more serendipitously explore the world. This is a feature that kids will likely enjoy, as it zooms the Earth around to your next destination. You can use the new app to send postcards to friends, as well. This basically lets you snap a picture from a place you're viewing in Google Earth, which often includes angles on famous landmarks you're not able to capture with your own camera. The updated Google Earth app, now 64-bit, is on the App Store.